Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left rear surface burner base on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Carefully lift off the left side grate. Remove the burner cap and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws, securing the burner base to the main cooktop. Lift up the base and depress the tab to release the spark electrode wire. Make sure the wire doesn't slip below the cooktop. Install the new burner base by first connecting the wire to the spark electrode. Position the new base and thread the screws to secure. Align the burner cap. Replace the grate by positioning it on the support and gently lowering it. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.